Online marketplaces have experienced rapid growth throughout the pandemic. Unfortunately, as sales increased, so did the marketplace fraud. Marketplace fraud refers to any fraud occurring on a marketplace. There are three common types of marketplace frauds. One of the common marketplace frauds is the credit card fraud. This fraud happens when fraudsters use stolen credit cards to make purchases. Normally, fraudsters steal the credit card information by tricking users to key in their card info on a phishing website or by buying card information on the dark web. Furthermore, online marketplaces also need to beware of merchant impersonation fraud. Fraudsters sign up as merchants and set up fake product listings. They will just run away after the innocent shoppers had made purchases from them. Middleman marketplace fraud is also one of the marketplace fraud. It involves a genuine merchant, a fraudster pretending to be a merchant, and the unwitting customer. Firstly, the customer makes a purchase by using a legitimate card from the fraudster. Then, the fraudster buys the item by using a stolen credit card from the legitimate merchant. After that, the genuine merchant sends the purchased item to the customer. Lastly, the genuine merchant gets chargebacks after the owner of the stolen credit card notices unauthorized charges made. To combat fraud, it is recommended to use a fraud prevention service like FraudLabs Pro to scan for stolen credit cards or suspicious buying patterns. Secure your online business with FraudLabs Pro for free now.